what's incredible about this is like alcoholic lemon custard. Yeah. It is the most freshest. It's just like, it's tasting sunshine. That's what it is. It's tasting lemon sunshine. It is delicious.
Yes. So good.
The size of it.
Salute!
Salute.
That is friggin' unbelievable.
Oh! Ow! Help me! Help!
I've just come down south of Naples to the Amalfi Coast. It's so stunning down here and it's such a unique part of the world. My mate Gennaro told me to come and see his mate Valentino. I'm coming down to his lemon grove for him to show me how to make limoncello. Valentino, how you doing?
Fine, and you? Welcome in Positano and my factory. Here we are, John. You come. I am very happy you come in Positano.
I'm so happy to be here, Valentino.
Garden. Here.
Thank you, my friend.
This morning, all lemon. Okay. Go to work right away.
Oh.
Come on. That one. You cut here. Okay.
Cut there like this?
Yeah, okay. There we are.
Okay.
Okay, John, another one.
Yes,
Please.
chef. Okay, here?
Yeah.
And this is the good time of year to get the lemons?
Yes, yes. Now in Positano, yes. Because the sun, we have the sun all day. Is the lemon is maturity.
Oh my God. It smells
Okay.
like lemon drops. This is the whole thing about Amalfi lemons, yeah? Is that they're so sweet, you can eat them right from the lemon. Like, that is unbelievable.
Take this one.
Taking the peel off?
Okay. Here.
Yeah.
It's much important. Look the oil. Look. Here we are prepared before.
Okay.
Because for making limoncello is 3 days in infusion.
So this
just the peel in alcohol. Here, we make exactly the same. Don't see that one now.
So that goes into alcohol.
Yes, here we are. John, you close now, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Give it a good
just
shake.
Keep it there.
And set aside.
After 3 days,
This is what you get.
We have this product.
That's just unbelievable. Like, look how much
look.
that has changed in colour.
Huh? And the limoncello, no color inside because it's all naturale. The color to the limoncello give it the oils and the lemon.
So Valentina, how long have you been making limoncello?
It's 20 years.
20 years.
From the factory. But we have the passion from many, many years ago. After, when we go up in the factory, we show you the bottle we make with my mother. 1969. For me, is a big important that one. Because my mother, she gave me the passion for all. We can show you this bottle. Now we have the product, it's ready, okay?
Okay.
Now, John, we have this jar.
Yes.
No, it's okay there.
No? Okay.
It's okay. We put, you make water here, please.
Okay.
Just plain water.
Okay.
Nothing
Okay.
else. And the sugar.
Okay. Okay. Da, 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 da.
Now the sugar and water is uniform.
Okay.
We put that one on top.
And pour this in.
Please, can you put some infusion inside there?
Sure.
You like dancing? Come on, make a game. Hey, John, limoncello it's ready. Okay, now we try the test if you like or not.
Definitely.
Okay, allora, we make like this.
Okay.
Yeah?
I just can't believe the colour. Beautiful.
This one I make my daughter, 5 years.
Really? So
Because
this
of
is your daughter that drew
Yes.
this?
Okay.
What's incredible about this is like alcoholic lemon custard. It is the most freshest. It's just like, it's tasting sunshine. That's what it is. It's tasting lemon sunshine. It is delicious.
Yes.
Salute!
Salute.